Come with me on a trip to Lagos with my friends. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm shooting a video. So I'm currently on a trip to Lagos with my friends. We planned an outing and then we decided to board the train instead of bus, and this is actually looking nice. It's fun and oh my god, this is nice. The trip actually started as early as 5:30 a.m. from Ile-Ife, Osun State. So from Ile-Ife we took a cab to Ibadan Road. So from Iwo Road we took another cab headed to the train station at Monia, and it was all fun and nice. We were just gisting and laughing. So we had actually booked our tickets a day before just to make things easier, and we were able to select our seat numbers, and it was so cool and stress free. And we got to the train station. We're currently at Ibadan.
Hello. This is our secretary that friends to pay.
Don't mind these girls. So just take a look at my friends. Hello.
Sorry, I'm finer than this on normal G.
Okay.
Disclaimer. I'm not wearing my
Odogu's wife.
I'm trying to do natural hair again. Natural beauty. Why not? Smiley lady.
This. What am I supposed to call this game? This one I want to embarrass me. They always begging me for
Come on,
money.
she's a secretary, man.
I mean,
I've sacked her.
stop playing.
I'm done.
Nibo.
Go and find another job to do. That goes call this one. Bye.
Hi guys.
What do you call it?
That's only your friend.
Where you? Tush girls.
We're just busy taking pictures and videos, sun glow on our faces, and it was actually very good. Oh my god, three musketeers. And this is Mopelolasurakatu, and this is I cannot be telling my name to strangers. I will tell the words. So you guys, her name is Oluwapelu, and this girl,
And this is the one and only Buffalo Motor
Shoyinka. Related to Shoyinka, Kabirat.
Yes.
I call her the Odogu's wife.
She's in my family. We're so rich, so see me on the internet.
Oh, sorry, because I'm going to kidnap you anytime soon.
Please.
So I do not kidnap her.
Yeah, the pretty girl.
Oh my god, I just said yeah on train.
Oh my god, who said yeah? Oh my god, it's going to be ouch, right? Oh my god, ouch. So guys, this is Buffalo, and she's about to tell us her interests, her hobbies, and okay,
So my interest is going to posting everything. As a medical doctor, I love my job. I love sincerely, I love my job.
So you like saving lives?
Yes, I love saving lives. I mean, it's not easy.
You have mission.
I have a mission, vision, and ambition. In fact, integration, independence,
My name is Shoyinka. I'm Mopelola's friend. I'm a posting, I'm a paddling, I'm a videographer. Any video that I see that she puts out there, in posting, trust me, I need video. I'm an excellent videographer, so I'm hoping to become a big brand later in life. So patronize me when I start my business properly. Thank you
Guys, this is
Hi guys, I'm Pelumi. I like dancing, I like singing, I do yoga, sports, I play tennis. I am very, very active. You can hit me up. Ask if you want my number, just ask Lola.
My name is Sherika, so I'm a medical student. I like reading, you know, I like traveling. I've been to 20 countries. Wow. I like eating. I eat a lot of fancy foods. I like movies. I don't like romantic movies. I like action, thriller, you know. I love sleeping, yes. And what else do I love? I love yoga. Like my friend. I love gym. I'm a gym girl. You know? So I think that's just something. Please, we just add it together.
Hi guys, I'm Kosi, and what do I like? I like traveling, but I've not started yet. Maybe the nearest future. Then I'm a medical student, like my friends too.
My final year. My final year.
Big bird. You guys are posting my video, and I don't like book.
I don't like
you love it. But I don't have a choice. But med school. I like sleeping.
She loves reading. She's a
I like
scholar.
sleeping.
I like section students.
And what else? I like movies a lot. Korean movies. I love Korean movies.
My fellow Korean movie enthusiast.
Shameless girls.
What else do I like? And I like to stay indoors. That's just it.
See my view. This is actually this nice. And my girl.
Oh, sorry. This stuff is actually it's fashion.
Sorry guys. So it's nice here. It's actually fun. I'm enjoying it. It's so comfortable. It's just that it's a bit cold here because of the AC, and that's why this don't let it go. As a Madam Explorer that I am, I got up to check out a few things in the train. So I go into the restroom now. Yeah, don't mind me. I'm so addicted to checking myself in the mirror. Well, there's really not much to see here. Well, the toilet is nice and it's functioning, it's neat, and basically that's it. So let's go meet my friends now, and that's the luggage area. I think they miss me already. We are at my hometown, Abeokuta, feeling nostalgic, and this is the Professor Olusoyinka train station. This is my hometown. Yes, now this is grandchild of Olusoyinka. Can kidnap her. You can kidnap her in case you need some ransom. You know, a family will be willing to pay.
I'm telling you when Is this in
plant. Yeah, it's very nice. It's not papalanto. Stop that. Because I want to try and cut this for. I was so hungry. I got pie on the train. Please don't try this. It's not nice. Well, Lagos, evidenced by the yellow bus. And we got to our final destination, Ebute Meta. The trip was actually fun and really comfortable, as in very comfortable. So we're finally in Lagos, our train from Ibadan to Lagos. Don't mind me, I love to take pictures, so please allow me. So we took the lift to exit the railway, but as Nigerians now, trust issues with lifts.
Just laughing by I beg. You don't worry. I've been affected now like this.
They pay my farm.
It's something bad to happen. I know they
And we're here, just taking pictures, snaps, and this is actually very nice and pretty view. Another pose. He's playing see. Fine girls. Why all of you looking tough? Precious, oh my god.
Fine girls.
Hey girls. Welcome to America.
So into this.
I'm feeling so lost. The mother girls jealous, cause you suit me past the looks. Show me your true color. Pass my color. Them other.
What's up, girl? Welcome to UK.
Welcome to the UK, guys. So we were here waiting for our ride to arrive. It was really nice. So we took another few minutes to, take more pictures, capturing more moments, and it's actually fun being around friends. Made the trip really, really interesting. And so our ride is here now. Another journey from here to the island. So come with us. We're not gonna leave you halfway. Let's get into the car. Lagos and traffic, we're just gisting and gossiping throughout the journey. It was fun, although we're very tired and feeling sleepy. We woke up very early. It's not been easy from one state to the other, but finally we're at Lekki phase 1 and we are home. Oh my god, home sweet home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment on my posts. Bye. See you in my next video.